What's the meaning of BMX? BMX. BMX.
BMX. BMX. BMX stands for bicycle motocross and is a type of off-road bicycle racing. It originated in the 1970s in Southern California and quickly spread around the world. BMX bikes are smaller than traditional road or mountain bikes and feature a sturdy frame, thick tires, and a single gear. BMX racing involves riders navigating a series of jumps, bumps, and turns on a dirt track. Over time, BMX has evolved to include other disciplines such as freestyle and street riding. BMX has also become a competitive sport with events held at both national and international levels. Many professional BMX riders have gained worldwide recognition for their skills and accomplishments.